Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Moment Fashion. So how are you friends? Today I am going to share with you more stylish, beautiful, gorgeous high heel boots and sandal designs ideas for girls and women. So you will see in this video different style and type of leather high heel sandals and boots designs 2021 and 22. You can wear these boots in official parties and in formal function. All designs are beautiful and stylish for those women who like latest fashion and unique style of fashion. So friends, watch my video till the end so you don't miss any design of my more beautiful video, because all design are latest, trendy and unique, and I am sure you like and want to buy such type of high heel boots. You will find hundred of new designs, hundred of new ideas daily in my channel Moment Fashion videos. So friends, please subscribe my YouTube channel Moment Fashion for more fashion ideas. So friends, I hope you enjoy my video. Beautiful, stylish, gorgeous and outstanding leather high heel boots and sandal designs ideas for girls and women. Friends, please like my video and share my video with your friends and family, because my video very useful and have a unique and stylish latest fashion ideas. So friends, if you're loving these beautiful designs, do like my video, share and press the bell icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will get all the notification full of my videos, so you will not miss any video of my channel Moment Fashion. So friends, I hope you enjoy my beautiful video, more stylish, beautiful and gorgeous leather high heel boots and sandal designs ideas for girls and women. Do comment in the comment section about my video and suggest me good advice so I can make more beautiful videos. Please support me by sharing my video, and thanks for happy visions of my previous video. Thank you so much friends of your positive feedback. Your positive feedback encourage me and motivate me to bring more useful videos and ideas for you. Thank you so much friends for watching this video till the end. Goodbye dear friends, till the next video. See you soon.